In today's class, we will learn how to solve linear inequalities. See, if you need to add or subtract or divide or multiply the expression, then you should use the same number on both the sides of the equation. And secondly, you should remember that if you need to multiply or divide with the negative number, then the direction of the inequality will change. Let's do in detail to understand these two basic concepts about linear inequalities by solving few examples. The first one given here is 2x plus 3 greater than 7. First of all, we need to isolate the x term. So what we will do? We will subtract 3 from both the sides of the equation. 7 minus 3. And here we will get 2x greater than 4. Now, divide the whole equation by 2. So, we will get x greater than 2. So, this is our solution in inequality notation. Now, mark it on a number line. So, here it's 2. Left hand side we have minus infinity, right hand side we have plus infinity. And over 2 we will have an open circle because there is no equal to sign. It's just a greater sign. So it's an open circle. And x is greater than 2 means it is towards the positive infinity. And how we are going to write in an interval notation? It will be 2 to infinity and these brackets. So here we have the solution in inequality notation. In inequality notation. And here the solution is in number line notation. And this is in the form of interval notation. Clear? Okay. Now let's move to the next example. Here, first we will simplify the equation. It will be 3x minus 3 less than equals to 2x minus 6. Now, add 3 on both the sides of the equation. So, we will get here 3x less than equals to 2x minus 3. Now, subtract both the sides 2x. 2x minus 3 minus 2x. We'll get here x less than or equals to minus 3. So, this is solution in inequality notation. Now, plot it on a graph to get the solution in number line notation. So, here it is minus 3 on number line minus infinity to infinity. Now, see, pay attention here. Here it will be a closed circle because here equal to sign is there. So, it will be a closed circle. Closed circle means this number is included in the solution. Now, x is less than or equals to minus 3. That means it will be towards minus infinity. And in interval notation, it will be from minus infinity to minus 3. And see, check the brackets here. This bracket is for closed circle. That means the number before it is included in the solution. And this bracket is used for open circle. That means the number next to it is not included in the solution. Let's move to the next example. And it is 1 over 3x plus 4 less than equals to 6. So, here we need to isolate the x term. So, subtract minus 4 on both the sides of the equation. So, it will be 1 over 3x less than equals to 2. Now, multiply 3 on both the sides of the equation. What we will get? We will get x is this into 3. So, x is less than equals to 6. Now, mark it on number line. Here is 6 minus infinity to plus infinity, and here it will be a closed circle because equal to sign is there and x is less than, so it will be towards the minus infinity. So, in interval notation, it will be from minus infinity to 6. Please be careful while marking the brackets. Clear? Okay. Let's move to the next example. It's minus 3x plus 12 greater than equals to 6. This is a different sum. So, focus on it. Subtract 12 from both the sides of the equation. So, here we will get minus 3x greater than equals to minus 6. Now, divide the equation by minus 3. So, we will get here x less than equals to 2. Now, you see this inequality sign had changed to this inequality sign. Why? Because according to our second point of the basics, that whenever you multiply or divide with the negative number, the inequality sign will change. Clear? Okay. Now, let's plot it on a number line. So, here we have 2 minus infinity plus infinity. Here we'll have a closed circle because there is an equal to sign is also there, and it is less than, so it will be towards minus infinity, and in interval notation it will be from minus infinity to 2. Again, remember to mark the proper brackets. Okay, let's move to the next examples. Here we have two inequality signs. So, let's solve it. To isolate this x term, add 3 throughout the equation. So, here it is plus 3, 7 plus 3. Clear? So, here we will get minus 5. Here it will be 5x and here it will be 10. Now, divide with 5 throughout the equation. So, let's divide. Here it's only less than sign. So, here it will be 5x over 5 less than 10 over 5. So, here is minus 1 x 2. So, this is a solution in inequality notation. Now, mark this on a number line. So, here we get minus 1, here is 2, minus infinity, plus infinity, over minus 1 will be a closed circle, and here it will be a open circle at 2. So, x is greater than or equals to minus 1. So, it will be towards the plus infinity, but it should be less than 2. So, this is the solution on the number line for this inequality. Clear? So, in interval notation, it will be minus 1 to 2. I hope everything is getting clear. Let's see the next example. Here it is 4x minus 5 greater than equals to 2x plus 11. Now, add 5 on both the sides of the equation. We will get plus 5. Here we'll get 4x greater than equals to 2x plus 16. Now, subtract 2x on both the sides, 2x plus 16 minus 2x. So here it will be 2x. This will get cancelled. 16. Now divide this equation on both the sides by 2. So we will get x greater than equals to 8. Clear? Okay. Now mark it on a number line. So here it will be 8 minus infinity plus infinity and a closed circle over 8. Now x is greater than 8. So it will be towards the plus infinity. And in interval notation, your answer will be 8 and infinity. Fine. Let's do one more example. And see here, it's again we have two inequality signs in an equation. Let's solve it. Minus 12, add 5 throughout the equation. So here it is 9 plus 5. So it will be 7 minus 7. Then here it will be 7x. And here it is 14. Throughout the equation, what you will do now to isolate x, divide by 7. And here minus 1, x less than equals to 2. So this is a solution in inequality notation. Now plot it on graph. So it will be minus 1, 2, minus infinity, infinity. Over 1 it will be an open circle. Over 2 it will be a closed circle. And x is greater than minus 1. So it will be towards plus infinity. But it should be less than or equals to 2. So it will be this side. So this is your solution in number line notation. Clear? And in the interval notation, it will be from minus 1 to 2. Fine? Okay. Now you see, if two equations are given like this, then it's how you will solve these two equations. Solve the equations. This is what the example is. So, okay, let's take the first equation. Add 1 on both sides. We will get 2x greater than 8. Divide the equation by 2 on both the sides. So, we'll get x greater than 4. So, this is our first solution. Now, let's see the second equation here. So, according to that, what we have to do is we have to subtract 2 on both the sides. Minus 3x greater than equals to, here we need to subtract 2. So, it will be minus 3 here. And then divide the equation by minus 3. So, when you are dividing with a negative number, you need to change the inequality sign. So, it will be 3 here. So, x is less than equals to, dividing 3 will be 1 here. Clear? So, this is your two solutions you got from the two equations. Now, mark it here on a number line. It will be 1 and 4 minus infinity to infinity. Now, over 1 it will be a closed circle and over 4 it will be an open circle. So, x is greater than 4. So, it will be towards plus infinity. And x is less than equals to 1. So, it is less than. So, it will be towards the negative infinity, minus infinity. Clear? So, this is your solution in number line notation. Now, how you will write this in an interval notation? It will be from minus infinity to 1 union. Here it will be this bracket. Let me write it here again. minus infinity to 1 because it's a closed circle. So this bracket union 4 to infinity. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you want me to cover anything else. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.